These two photos are the most important career-defining photos for you if you are a coder. Whether you will have a job or not in the next 3 to 5 years depends on whether you can understand these two photos or not. These photos are from the same place, same day, but 13 years apart, Easter Sunday on 5th Avenue in New York City. In 1900, can you spot the car? There it is. One car drowning in a sea of horses and carriages. Now look at 1913. Try to spot the horses. It's almost impossible to find one. In just 13 years, less than it takes a child to finish school, an entire industry vanished. Think about it. 13 years. Now imagine interviewing one of the horses from this 1900 pic. What would it say? Sure, cars are faster, they don't need rest, they don't need food, they are more reliable. But come on, there is a certain class to horse carriages. The tradition, the elegance. Humans have relied on us for millennia. We are irreplaceable. In 1900, the horse was laughing. 13 years later, that horse was unemployed. And if you are a coder watching this in 2025, you might be looking at your own future. Not in 13 years, but in 3. But wait, there's another layer to this story that's even more important. Look at both pictures again. Count the vehicles. The 1900 image has dozens of carriages. The 1913 image has dozens of cars. Same number of jobs, right? We still need drivers. Wrong. Dead wrong. Same number of drivers, same number of jobs, but not the same people. The horse carriage drivers from 1900, most of them never became car drivers. They did not adapt. They did not learn. They believed their skill would always be valuable. Only a handful, maybe 5-10%, saw the change coming and learned to drive cars. The rest became irrelevant. This is exactly what's happening with AI and coding right now. Yes, we'll still need people working with technology, but they won't be traditional coders. They will be AI orchestrators, prompt engineers, system architects who work with AI, not despite it. Unlike in 1900, it won't be a gradual transition. It will not take 13 years. It will be a sudden flip, much faster. One day you are essential, the next day you are explaining to your kids why you did not see it coming. Here's what I hear from coders today. AI is just a tool. Real engineering requires human creativity. AI can't replace fundamental thinking. We are safe. You know who else thought they were safe? Every horse on 5th Avenue in 1900. But feeling safe and being safe are two different things. I will give you a timeline. 12 months ago, AI could not center a div properly. Today, it's building entire SaaS products. The founders shipping this are not even developers. They are just people with ideas and AI agents. Solo founders are shipping profitable apps using only Cursor and Claude.
But what about production level complexity?
Stop. Just stop. Stop hiding behind these excuses. Yes, AI isn't production ready for complex scenarios yet. That yet is the keyword here. It will be ready sooner than you think. And you will be left searching for a new excuse and a new job. Just think why our junior dev positions are disappearing while AI subscriptions are skyrocketing. Think about it. The brutal math is a junior developer would cost $80,000 a year. AI subscription, $200 a month. That's a 95% cost reductions. Which would you choose as a CEO? So you have two choices. Choice 1, be the horse. Insist you are irreplaceable. Point out AI's flaws. Cling to the tradition and wait for the world to realize it needs you. Spoiler alert, the world moved on without the horses. Choice 2, be the carriage driver who learned to drive a car. Start now. Learn AI alignment, prompt engineering, real prompt engineering, AI safety, master AI tools. Become someone who conducts the orchestra of AI agents rather than playing a single instrument. Okay, enough of lecture. What exactly should you learn? Here's the thing. It's not about learning to code better. It's about becoming something entirely new. The AI orchestrator. Instead of writing code, you are orchestrating dozens of AI agents. If you can imagine an orchestra, you will be conducting an orchestra of AI agents. Think Replit agents, Devin, Cursor all working in parallel while you directing the symphony. Business to AI translators, converting human needs into AI executable strategies. AI validation specialists, not debugging code but debugging AI reasoning. Is not a normal upgrade but a complete paradigm shift. But it's too much to cover in this video. Watch out for the next one detailing exactly what these new AI-proof roles for coders are, what skills you need to develop, which tools you need to master to survive this AI wave. Remember, horses had 13 years, but AI isn't moving at horse and buggy speed. What took cars 13 years is happening in 3 with AI, or maybe even less. Don't be the horse of 1900, listening to other horses telling you everything is fine. Be the smart carriage driver who learn to drive, who learn to survive. The future doesn't ask for permissions, it just arrives. Make sure you are ready.